Hey guys, I'm Angie123 here. This video is going to be on the sound experiment dog whistle, which I'm going to be using YouTube for the dog whistle. Now I've got the sound quality on the best it can be, which is 480. Sounds a lot better than 320, I think it is. I'll just double check that. 360, sorry. So there it is. My dog is in the room. He is totally fast asleep. You can probably hear him snoring. But there he is. So I'll press play and I'll turn the speakers up and then we'll see what reaction we get. We'll see if it works. Right, 3, 2, 1. This is full blast as well. Well, loud. Not even a flicker. This is 1000 Hertz. This one right now is 20,000 Hertz. I really can't hear that. 24,000 Hertz. $28,000. $32,000. $40,000. $44,000. This one seems to have worked. So there it is, guys. I would definitely try that one. The last one seemed to have worked absolutely perfect, even though it was more of a weird sort of grumbling noise. It sounded like an earthquake from far away. I'll quickly play the end bit again and just see how he reacts. I mean, we already know it works, but just see if his ears go up. So as we can see, that one definitely does work. So there it is, guys. That's just that the sound experiment with a dog whistle on YouTube. So thanks for watching, guys. If you want any more sort of like videos or anything like that, anyone can maybe recommend a video for us to do. Literally, you name a video you might want to know, or us to start doing, because I'm starting to run out of ideas for videos. I'll still continue doing all my regular unboxings and stuff like that, but I'm starting to run out of ideas of what I can do for you guys. So just let us know. Remember to rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you.